Is your laptop very slow in 2026? Apps open late, system hangs, or boot takes forever? I'm Hashir from Hashir Tech Heaven, and these fixes works on almost every Windows laptops. So let's start. Number 1. Restart your laptop properly. If you always close the laptop or use sleep mode, your laptop never refreshes properly. Restart your laptop at least once every 2 to 3 days. This clears temporary memory and background processes. Number 2, when Windows starts, many apps starts automatically and slow down your laptop. Let's fix that. Press Ctrl Shift plus ESC, go to Startup Apps, disable apps you don't need at startup like launcher updaters. This alone can make your laptop boot much faster. Number 3. Free up storage space. If your laptop storage is almost full, performance will drop badly. So step number 1 is open settings, go to storage and delete temporary files, old downloads or recycle bins. Always keep at least 20 to 25% free space on your drive. Number 4. Change power mode to performance. Many laptops are set to power saving mode by default, which makes them slow. So go to setting, click power and battery. Set mode to best performance. This is very important, especially for students and office users. Number 5. Update Windows and drivers. It's very important. Outdated Windows or drivers can cause lag and freezing. Step number 1. Open settings. Go to Windows Updates. Install all updates. Update graphics drivers if available. Updates fix bugs and improve speeds. Number 6. Scan for viruses and malwares. Viruses and hidden malwares can slow your laptop badly. So step number 1 is open Windows Security, click virus and threat protection, run full scan. Never ignore this step, especially if you use USBs or cracked softwares. Number 7. Clean your laptop physically. This fix is ignored by many people. Dust inside the laptop cause heatings and heating cause slow performances. So what to do? Clean vents, use a cooling pad and change thermal paste if the laptop is old. If your laptop still feels slow after all these fixes, then consider SSD upgrade or RAM upgrade, but don't upgrade before trying these solutions. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to Hashir Tech Heaven. If you want laptop repair, reviews or honest advices, make sure to contact us. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.